Biological or biostimulant seed treatments are growing in popularity and often advertise promising results for crop growth, function, and yield. However, field research has been limited, creating uncertainty about their ability to deliver results across different farm locations. A team of researchers wanted to test several commercially available products across a wide array of field environments to see how things played out in the real world. Welcome to the Whiteboard series, where we break down and discuss current agricultural research. This video is made in partnership with Science for Success, an initiative that promotes collaborative research and extension across the country. Science for Success is funded by the Soybean Checkoff. The Science for Success team tested 7 different biostimulant seed treatments across 17 states in 2022 and 9 products across 21 states in 2023, resulting in over 100 types of environments being included in the study. The biologicals were applied to soybean seeds already treated with fungicide and insecticide. The team also included a control not treated with biostimulants for comparison. The soybean yields were collected over the 2 years. So what did they find? They found none of the treatments consistently improved yields compared to the control. They offered 3 hypotheses that could explain the lack of yield response. First, the conditions weren't right. For these treatments to work, the microbes must form a symbiotic relationship with the soybean plant. This is reliant on 3 conditions being met simultaneously. The host soybean plant must be present, along with the beneficial microbes, and they must exist in an environment conducive to their relationship. If all 3 conditions are not present at the same time, the treatment won't impact yield. Second, the microbes weren't alive. For biologicals to work, the microbes must be present, alive, and at a high concentration. These treatments may have lacked the appropriate number of living organisms. Third, too much competition. Our soils are already filled with billions of living microbes. It is possible that the new microorganisms introduced could not compete with the native ones already in place. So does this research mean case closed on biologicals? Likely not. Plenty of products on the market still need to be researched further. Additionally, these companies are constantly developing new products and application methods. If a grower is interested in trying something out, make sure to follow the handling and application guidelines for the best results. Check that all seed treatments being applied are compatible. Biostimulant treatments will likely continue to expand. It will take a joint effort between farmers and researchers to investigate which products work under which conditions. Contact your local university extension if you are willing to participate in future on-farm trials. This video summarizes a fact sheet titled Biological Seed Treatments on Soybeans by Laura Lindsay and Fabiano Colette from The Ohio State University. To check out this resource and several others, click the Science for Success website link included in the description of this video.